you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I figured I would just take you guys along with me. I'm going to be working on getting my spring and my winter clothes swapped out because we're officially in spring. So I guess like spring and summer clothes I'll be putting out today, and I figured I'd just do it kind of like a vlog style, more chill and laid back because it's hot as hell and I don't feel like looking cute and stuff right now. So yes, I do have my hair pulled down because I need to wash it ASAP. So just gonna show you guys, I already pulled out all of my boxes and stuff because I pretty much keep like my winter clothes and spring and summer clothes stored in like boxes or bin when I'm not using it. So I have to go ahead and get my spring and summer clothes out of these boxes and bins. I always declutter before I put anything away, but I always declutter again when I pretty much take things out, because within that time frame my mindset might change. So it may have lasted in terms of like going into the container, but now that we are here in spring and summer, I might have a different mindset where I may not want it anymore. So I do declutter as well before I put anything in my closet or before I put anything in the boxes and bins. So I'm gonna show you guys my boxes and bins so you can pretty much see how I have them stored. Also, I'm gonna have one pile that's going to be like my donation pile, and I'm gonna have a pile that's going to be my throw away because it might be damaged or something. So I'm gonna make two piles, one to donate, one to keep. And pretty much my mindset is if I haven't worn it in the past like 2 years, just get rid of it because I'm not gonna wear it. And if I don't really have any kind of like connection to it to where I feel like excited to have it in my collection, then it has to go away also. So let me show you guys the boxes and the bins and then we will get started. This is my first bin right here. So this is pretty much the stuff that you will see that goes in my actual like dresser. So that's one right here. Then I also have this bin. This also have some more clothes that go like in my dresser as well. This box having more clothes and shoes over here. And then I have this bin. I have so many bins. This bin has in my shoes, and then that box right there having shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by, I'm going to empty out my dresser. You guys seen me when I actually did my dresser in my last video where I did like my spring and winter clothes, where I pretty much had put away my spring clothes and I had put out my winter clothes. So I'm going to go through this and just take all of like my winter stuff out so I can get ready to put my other stuff in here. So let's get started.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody
so in this bin, I'm just going to go through this bin and just filter out a pile. So I'll have one pile that's going to be for my closet, then I'll have another pile that's going to be for my dressing table. I'm going to go through and just filter out what is going to go where, and then afterwards I'll just go from there.
I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
So far, let me just show you what I'm working with. Yes, Trey.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Good job. So this pile over here, I'm going to donate. This is going to be the one that's getting packed away. These shirts are going to go in my dresser. And then these skirts and these pants are going to go in my dresser as well. These pants are going to be hung up. And then this is my pile to hang up right over here. So that's what I'm working with as of right now.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it
So now I have to go through my closet and filter through all of these clothes because these are now gonna go in my boxes and bins. But first, I have to see what I want to keep, donate, and throw away.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Alright, so this is what the closet is looking like now. I took everything out, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my summer stuff. So we are making progress.
Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So all I have is these two boxes which have my summer and spring shoes. I'm just going to filter through these one more time to see if I want to keep anything, and then afterwards I'm going to put my winter shoes in here.
The car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. This brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo high.
Alright you guys, so I am finally done, and this is what I am going to donate. All of this right here. So very successful day.